Well, apparently I've gone live straight away, which is nice. I do like this platform, nice and quick. Just wait for someone to let me know in the comments that you can see me and hear me okay, and I am actually live. Says I've been live for about 20 seconds now, which is good. Rupesh, are you there? Can you see me? Okay, we seem to have some messages coming in. Oh, that was the alert saying I'm live. Good. So we should get some people start coming in. Hey, straight away. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Just let me know in the comments if you can see and hear me okay. Just bring that camera down slightly. Yep, and before you ask, yes, I am wearing my Christmas jumper. It's not long now, is it? So just let me know in the comments if you can see and hear me. Valentina, welcome. And I'm assuming the yes means that you can see and hear me. Oh, yeah, we've got a few people dropping in now. Fantastic. Amanda, thanks for dropping in. I can see and hear you. Awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So I think it's time we just actually cracked on because we've got a bit to cover today. So the plan in this live is to do a live build. Thanks, Rupesh. Is to do a live build as part of the Challenge Juji series. One comment we had previously was that you can't really do calculations and math within a no-code AI chatbot solution, but you actually can with Juji, and we're gonna actually do that live. So please bear with me. Hi Baron, thanks for dropping in. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support, obviously. So I'm going to have a crack at this. I've done it 3 times now, and it's worked every time. So I'm starting to get used to this platform. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so you should be able to see Juji, and you should be able to see me. And let's get to the actual building. So you can see here I've been practicing. So let's start from nothing. You know, I could have just done this with a pre-created bot and just show you where all the settings were, but I think it's better that we actually do the build. So if you comment now, I'm not going to see it, but still comment. I will pick them up at natural breaks. This should take about 20 minutes, and then I'll leave some time at the end for picking up those questions. So we're just going to select the channel to host our AI helper, which is going to be a website in this case. And we're just going to use a very simple template, which is customer service basic. So Juji is just pulling that template forward. If you've got any questions around other aspects of no code chatbots where you think they might struggle, please do let me know. So we're going to go into customize chatbot. And we're going to go straight away to the Q&A board. First thing we're going to do is add in a new Q&A. So on the left, you'll see here, we've got the question or comment, and then on the right, we've got the response. So we're going to ask in the question, how much discount can I get if I spend more, question mark. And then the response is we're going to need, typically, you know, we're going to need some kind of holding message. I'm going to just say, let me check. At this stage, nothing's been submitted. We're still designing. Do let me know that you can still hear me and see me. Hi, Lowy. Thanks for dropping in. So at this stage, what we want to do now is go to this section here, which is Add Media Multi-Turn Q&A. And we're going to add in a topic. And we're going to click on Add a response and then free text. And we're going to say, how much do you wish to spend? You'll notice I've typed that, and below here it says ask a general question. But Juji's quite clever. If I just click here now, it automatically picks up from the word spend and adds in the currency, which is brilliant. What I am going to do though is just pop in and change this amount to spend. So I'm just going to, the attribute stays the same as amount, but I'm going to call it spend. Hi, Theo. Thanks for dropping in. Lowy asked, what channels is Juji available? It goes to web and messenger at the moment. If there's anybody from Juji and they've got plans for any other channels, do let me know. Okay, so we can see it's picked up the currency. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add in a custom response. So this is basically triggers, if then. So on trigger 1, so on answer, spend, you remember I changed the amount to spend, is greater than $100. Don't have to put the dollar sign in, just a figure. And then what we want is to go down to the action, extended reply, and create a new remark. And what you'll notice here on the left is under that topic 6, how much do you wish to spend? T7's appeared, topic 7, and topic 7 has appeared here ready to go. So if they put an amount, the response there of greater than 100, go to topic 7 for the response. We go in, we're going to respond with plain text. Because you are spending those words I never spell right, more than $100, your saving is, and obviously we're going to drop something into there as you would expect. So we're going to go for a function, and we're looking for multiply. There we go. And then we're going to want to put in here spending. That was 2.6, and that was the attribute, if you remember. And then here we're going to put in 15%. There we go. So these are your function arguments. So they use attribute spend, so that's the number they put in, and then it's going to do the discount at 15%. Click add. We're going to go back to topic 6. And we had our first trigger here, and we're going to add in another custom response with another trigger. So we're going to add in trigger 2 is answered. Again, we're choosing the attribute of spend. We're not doing any greater than, so we select the not applicable, and we're doing a less than. And we're going to say 100. And then we want an action if somebody puts a figure that's less than 100. And we're going to do an extended reply, create new remark, and you'll notice now topic 8 has appeared, and then on topic 6 you can see it's got topic 7 is one route, and that's the person spending a figure greater than $100, and then we've got topic 8, which is the other route for the people spending less than 100. And for those people, we're going to say if you're spending less than $100, there is no discount. Can't type tonight. There we go. So just to clear that up, they're coming at this topic here. They give a response to the question, how much do you wish to spend? If they say more than 100, they'll go to topic 7. And if they spend less than $100, they'll go to 8. So we've got the two responses, and we've also put the function in there. So let's go to the Q&A board. We can see the question is here, and let me check, and we're just going to submit that. And you can see it's your input has been submitted successfully. And then we're going to preview. Obviously, I've not built any fancy welcome message, but you can imagine this working for kind of a restaurant or an e-commerce setting. So let's ask the first question. So how much discount do I get if I spend more? So let me check. Remember where we built that response in. And they're asking, how much do we wish to spend? I plan to spend $225. A very random number. So it confirms the $225 and says, because you're spending more than $100, your saving is $33.75. So let's try another way. How? I'll just copy and paste it, shall I? Just to save some time. Go. And we'll try it a different way this time. In this case, $35 is what I plan to spend. So it confirms the amount. And if you remember when we built it, we went to that topic 8. Because it was less than $100, there was no discount set. And then let's just try something a little bit different. Spend $150. How much discount do I get for spending $150? And there you go, brings it through, $22.50. Okay, let me come back to you guys. Okay, do we have any questions? Let's have a look what we've got coming in. So Lowy, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, it's the first time I've ever seen that name, is asking about what WhatsApp, and there's been a response, but WhatsApp's not there. Personally, I'm seeing a lot more demand for WhatsApp recently. So that might be something to think about. I know there's a lot of hoops to jump through for both the suppliers, the platforms for WhatsApp integration, but also as a user, there's an awful lot going on. But WhatsApp is growing at a pace. It's become very popular. Jose, yeah, WhatsApp. That'd be useful. Yeah, that's all of the questions. So that is a very quick demo of how you can do calculations from within the Juji platform, which is totally no code. We haven't yet to use anything external. It's all been done very quickly. Now I've done that 3 or 4 times. I reckon I could build that in probably 5 minutes if I wasn't doing the instruction. It's not difficult to do. You saw how simple it is. And I think once you understand where things are, you could very quickly work out discounts for group bookings, for your VIPs perhaps, or people bringing coupons. There's an awful lot you can do with that. And I think for e-commerce, it could be really, really powerful. Martin Jarvis, he's asking what the platform is. It's Juji Studio. So if you go to juji.ai, it's a platform I'm going to be testing over the next 3 months, part of my Challenge Juji series, looking for comments from people. And really, I want them to challenge it. I want to try and really thrash the pants off of Juji and see what's possible with a no-code platform. Hi, RJ. Thanks for dropping in. So that's going to be the end of the live. Linda's asking, can you make the computed discount be in the form of dollar figure dot? Yeah, of course you can. You could go and spend more time and work on the formatting. What I'll do is I'll actually do that in a separate video, and I'll drop it in the comments here for you, Linda, because I'm sure other people will have that same question. Baron's asking, users tend to ask longer questions on WhatsApp and send multiple texts in a row like they do with friends and family. So very, very true. One thing I've seen from testing with Juji is that it's able to handle long utterances really, really well, which might work really, really well for WhatsApp. I think that's something that I might explore this week, testing that long utterance thing. That as conversational designers, we find a real pain when people send, 200 word message, and that's got to be picked apart by the chatbot and discover the intent and give the correct response. So that would be really, really interesting. Big thank you to all of you who dropped in. If you've got any other questions, you can drop them in there. I'm looking to do at least one of these a week. So if you've got something that you've struggled to do with a no-code or even a low-code platform, and you want to see if it's possible within Juji, let me know, and I will ask the question. I'll learn how it's done, and I'll show you how it's done. Rupesh, can we solve a word problem? Not entirely sure what you're asking there. That doesn't mean anything to me, but yeah, do reach out to me privately, and we might be able to do that on a separate session. But thanks, everyone. I've really enjoyed that. I hope it's been useful for you as we head into the weekend. I'll make a decision on Monday with Michelle about what we're going to tackle next and demo. But yeah, this is Challenge Juji. I've been Jim Rowe-Bot, and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care. Bye.